Former DU professor GN Saibaba to remain in jail after Supreme Court suspended the Bombay High Court order on his discharge. GN Saibaba is serving a life term for alleged Maoist links. When the Bombay High Court discharged Saibaba in the UAPA case, his family was hopeful of his release within a day. But mere 24 hours later, a special bench of the Supreme Court suspended the High Court judgment, staying his release. GN Saibaba was a DU professor of English at Ramlal Anand College. He joined the college in 2003. In 2014, he was suspended after his arrest by Maharashtra police for suspected Maoist links. In March 2021, his services were terminated with immediate effect. GN Saibaba was arrested for being linked to banned Revolutionary Democratic Front. Documents, a hard disk, pen drives were seized from Saibaba's house. He was placed under suspension by DU in 2014. In 2015, Saibaba was granted bail by the Bombay High Court on medical grounds, but he was jailed again. In 2016, the Supreme Court granted him bail on medical grounds, but he was soon sent back to jail. In 2017, Saibaba and others were convicted and were given life imprisonment. Saibaba's family demanded bail many times since his imprisonment over his health conditions. Saibaba is wheelchair-bound and 90% disabled. As per his wife Vasanta, he suffers from hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, hypertension, kidney stones, cyst in brain, pancreatic problems, partial paralysis. In 2020, Vasanta alleged that Saibaba has at times not been given medicines. Letters from family to him are being stopped. Newspaper clippings, reading material were not provided. He was only allowed 1 or 2 phone calls a month, and books by family and advocates were not provided. On 14 October, Bombay High Court allowed Saibaba's appeal, challenging a 2017 order of the trial court that convicted him. The Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court said, "In view of the findings recorded by us, we hold that the proceedings in session trials 30-2014 and 130-2015 are null and void in the absence of valid sanction under Section 45(1) of the UAPA, and the common judgment impunged is liable to be set aside, which we do order." A Supreme Court bench sat on a non-working day on 15 October and suspended the High Court order. The Supreme Court said, "The accused were convicted after detailed appreciation of evidence. Offences are very serious, which are against the interest of the society, sovereignty, and integrity of India. The High Court has not gone into all these aspects and passed the order based on sanction under UAPA." The Supreme Court sought responses from Saibaba and 5 others on a plea moved by the Maharashtra government against the HC order. The HC bench also rejected Saibaba's request for putting him under house arrest, given his health conditions. Justice M.R. Shah said, "Nowadays there is a tendency of urban Naxals that seek house arrest, but everything can be done from home. This house arrest cannot be an option. For terrorists or Maoists, the brain is everything." GN Saibaba remains in Nagpur jail since 2017. Saibaba expressed himself through poems in his letters to his wife. "My cage prohibits all relations and bans love, proscribing the language of hearts, as the woman behind me reminds, speak only in Hindi, while you stand on the other side of the opaque fiberglass window. Words fail me, as though I have forgotten our language of love and intimacy. And you became a stranger to me from this world of high walls. How painful to talk across the window of surveillance, over the daggers hanging on my head from behind, seeking to stab our hearts brutally in cold blood.